Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to wash a hat in your dishwasher. A hat is a protective gear that shields you from rain, sunlight or heat, wind, and glare. They are the most popular headgear that is worn by people of all ages in different parts of the country. Some people wear a hat casually as part of their outfit to support a team or as a form of advertisement for any business or company. Whatever reason you wear one, you will agree that they come in handy. Continual use and regular exposure to environmental elements, sweat, oils, or dirt from the skin and hair leave your hat grimy. Dishwasher machines can thoroughly clean your hat and retain its shape, leaving it looking like it's new. It is important that you use a dishwasher-safe detergent so that your dishwasher parts won't be damaged. Also, make sure you don't use bleach or any detergent that contains bleach or citric acid, they will ruin your hat. Cleaning supplies you will need. 1. Dishwasher machine. 2. Hat frame optional. 3. Borax or any other bleach-free dishwasher detergent that is not lemon-scented. 4. Stain removal or laundry additive like OxiClean or Biz optional. A jar or tall object. A soft bristled brush. Follow these steps to wash your hat in a dishwasher. Step 1. Examine the hat. Look at the hat carefully and check the tag from the manufacturer. This is to ascertain what material it is made of and help you to know if they are dishwasher safe. Synthetic or cotton materials can be washed in a dishwasher while wool or cardboard materials are not dishwasher safe. They get damaged during the washing cycles. Do not put your hat in the machine if its tag clearly states that it should be hand-washed only. Also, hats with frayed tears or edges should be manually washed with hands to prevent further damage. Step 2. Pre-treat your hat. Pre-treat your hat with a stain removal paste or liquid that can boost the cleaning efficacy of the wash cycles. This depends on the state of the hat. Is it very dirty or just stained by sweat or any other substances? Apply the paste on the hat and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes so that the oils or dirt can be broken down by the stain removal. Step 3. Attach to the hat frame. The hat frame is used to cover the hat, specifically its shape, thereby preventing it from curving. Open the hat frame and place your hat on top of the bulging dome so that the edge of the hat is inside. Then close the frame to firmly protect or lock the hat. Step 4. Empty the dishwasher. There should be no dirty dishes inside the machine when you are about to wash your hat. This is because food remains from your dishware might get stuck on your hat's seams. To make a big load, gather dirty hats from your family. This will save energy. Step 5. Place the hat in the dishwasher. Put the hat in the upper rack of your dishwasher machine where it will be far from the heating element. If you place your hat on the lower rack, its plastic components may melt due to the heat. You can place the center of your hat directly on any of the dishwasher prongs in the absence of a hat frame. Step 6. Fill up the detergent dispenser. Add 1 tablespoon of borax or any other bleach-free dishwashing detergent into the detergent dispenser compartment directly. Then close the dishwasher. Do not add any lemon-scented or bleach detergent in the machine because they may change the color of your hat. You can test your detergent before use by rubbing a little quantity in a spot to check if there will any color changes. Also, do not use any laundry detergent in the machine for the purpose of this cleaning. Step 7. Run a wash cycle. Change the machine settings to a cold, normal, and short wash cycle. You can use the China, light, or delicate settings on the dishwasher machine if it has any of those options. Then switch off the heating or drying cycle if possible. This will prevent the formation of wrinkles and creases in your baseball hat. The time taken to clean a hat in a dishwasher depends on how messy the hat is. Small stains are cleaned quickly and so take a shorter time, while heavy stains can take more time, like 20 minutes. This time is enough to clean any type of hat in a dishwasher machine. Step 8. Remove the hat from the dishwasher. If you cannot switch off the dry cycle, make sure you remove your hat from the machine before the drying cycle begins. The heat produced during a drying cycle can melt or shrink any plastic components of your hat. Step 9. Allow the hat to dry. Open the hat like you want to wear it and place the hollow opening over a jar or any tall object so the hat can get dried. This will retain the dome shape of your hat. Don't touch it after this until it gets properly dried. It is important that you allow the hat to dry completely on its own at room temperature. You can place it on the kitchen table or counter until it gets completely dried, or place a fan close to the hat to quicken the drying process. Do not use any other heat source, otherwise, the hat may shrink. Leave the hat inside the hat frame until it gets dried. That's if you used one before washing in the dishwasher. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be the first to see our updates. Also, drop your comments, questions, or suggestions below. And check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimdishwashers.com, for more dishwasher content like this. See you next time. Thank you for watching.